All right. So and a lot of the songs that are coming to mind were like games.
Mm-hmm.
So there's one. It's called Amai, VaRona. So it goes. Amai, VaRona, oye oye Rona. Vakapisa mwana, oye oye Rona. Vachikara nopi, oye oye Rona. The literal translation of it is Rona is the child. So you're saying mother of Rona, she burnt her child whilst cooking pumpkin. So in a way, it's educating us to say don't put your child on the back and don't go near fire with your child. Otherwise, something bad may happen. So a lot of these songs are open to interpretation. And this was my interpretation after looking back. And I'm like, why would we sing about a woman cooking pumpkin holding a child? But yeah, safety first.
So the song, that's just it, short little thing, you just go
Yeah,
round and round?
it goes in round. Yeah, it goes round and round. Let me think. There might be other verses that I would have forgotten, but for me, that is one part that stands out.